We've been fortunate enough to take on very, very large projects and still be a small firm. That's where we set ourselves aside a little bit. It's not uncommon for us to have a very major project online at any particular time every single year. We'll always have a piece of our staff devoted to one mega project, I'll call it. Something that large firms do on a regular basis because they can devote a whole slew of people to it and all their resources to it. We tend to do that with fewer people, and we dedicate that staff to it accordingly.
There's great mentorship in a small company. You have your principals that have been in the industry. Some of them have contracting experience. Some of them have just been working in healthcare for 20, 30 years, and you get the opportunity to work with them and learn from them firsthand how to not make the same mistakes that they did when they were in your position.
One of the differences between working at a small firm and a very large mega firm is that at a small firm you get to know every little detail about all the different facets of a design. You can work at a very large company working on a very large project, and an engineer can spend a year or two just designing one little component on a building and doing it 100 times over. And we don't like to do that to our engineers. We like to build our engineers so that they're very well-rounded, so that they understand every single facet of a project. To simply put an engineer on one particular part and to have them be a perfectionist and an expert on that particular field is great, but it's a waste of an engineering mind to have them that focused on one thing and not to broaden their horizons and look at the whole system.